Okay, picked this up at a swap meet a couple months ago. I think I paid 40 bucks for this thing. The guy said it ran good. He's been using it a lot, but maybe not for the last year or two. Yeah, the carb was kind of trash. We couldn't get her going. Or the carb kit on eBay. I think it was about 20 bucks we paid for it. And put it on, fired it up, and it does run. Now we're gonna see what kind of a job it'll do on this tree that split down here the other day. We're gonna get her going right now. Yeah, we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna start with some little stuff. Hopefully that goes good, and then just move our way up. Yeah, it's definitely slow going, but it's a workhorse. Not bad for 60 bucks total put into it. And a couple hours of labor to get it running. Making pretty quick work of this pile here, but it is work. So it's an MTD 5-horse chipper shredder, and I suppose it was probably built back in the 90s, I'm guessing. Working pretty good. It's not overly aggressive. 5-horse, I mean, it's not gonna change the world here, but once you throw it in there and you feel it bogging down, you got to back it off a little bit and let the RPMs come back up and then shove some more through. Yeah, it's doing a good job. For under $100, what more can you ask for? Never owned one of these machines before. My wife's always wanted one to shred up some of these branches that fall down or need to be trimmed up periodically, to put around her flowers in her flower beds. So now we don't have to run to the compost pile, pick some up there, we can just make our own. Seems like every year you need a little bit more as it decomposes. The beds go down, you gotta beef them back up again. Got her all cleaned up.